Hello, happy Black Friday. I got a sweet delivery and I wanted to share it live with y'all. I normally go live in my customer group for my Scentsy customers, but I think that this is a pretty special item and I feel like more people should see it. Let me try to reduce the glare on my glasses really quick. Let me see here. Okay, that's a little better. So, in honor of the new Willy Wonka movie coming out, there's a new wax collection in this stunning packaging. Look at that. It looks just like a big Wonka bar, but it's not chocolate. It's sweet wax. Hopefully nobody will interrupt me while I'm showing you guys these things. But, okay, look at this. 3 wax bars come in this box, right? Perfectly giftable. Literally, this is like a ready-made gift. It's only $21 for 3 wax bars. And then you've got 3 very different but very sweet flavor profiles, like scent profiles. So first up is this Everlasting Gobstopper. Let me pull this out. Bright orange wax. Very like cartoony looking packaging. Everlasting Gobstopper is, let me look at my notes. Orange pop and candied sugar with bright tangerine create a delectable delight that's too good to give away to Slugworth. So, let's smell this. Ooh, okay. That is spot on. The tangerine is there, giving it like the kind of like true citrus notes, and then you've got like the pure sugar. Like it smells like you just opened up like really good candy. Oh my gosh, that's going to be going into my Scentsy Club. I think, honestly, all 3 of these are going into my Scentsy Club. So, I'm excited to warm these. And then we've got 2 more. So, the next one is Violets Turning Violet. This is deep purple wax. Bluish purple. Okay, Violets Turning Violet is described as, after a 3-course meal, don't be surprised when blueberry, white cherry, and crystallized sugar turn dessert all shades of scrumdiddlyumptious violet. Wow. Okay, so look at that, like, packaging. It's so cute. I love it. I'm so glad I got this. Okay. So this is like, if you've ever had, like, some really tart, like, oh my gosh, like sweet tarts. This smells like a sweet tart. But, I'm not really getting a lot of cherry. It's very much like blueberry and crystallized sugar. So I wonder if when I warm it, if the white cherry will come through more. This is just amazing. Anybody of all ages would like love this. And then here's our last one. It's a pretty pink wax. Okay, we have Fizzy Lifting Drink. And that is described as, let me turn around. Come on in, the air is fine. Sparkling orange and fizzy grape soda are like shooting stars mixed with sweet raspberry and light as a feather vanilla. Okay. Ooh, that's so girly and like just delectable. Oh my gosh. This one is probably my number 1. The raspberry, I'm a raspberry lover. I love raspberries, and like the raspberry scent is really strong on this. That is so good. So, if you want a pack of this for yourself, or 1 or 10, let me know. I think this is going to be very popular. It just released, and there's still some available, so let me know. I'll put my website in the comments so that you can grab it if you want. It's only $21 for 3 amazingly themed wax bars. And then, you know, this packaging is just next level. It's so fun, and I love it. So, happy Black Friday. Hope you get some good deals. Keep watching. I will be sharing my Cyber Monday deals for Scentsy in my Scentsy group. And then if you need any ideas for Black Friday, I have another group. Just let me know. Okay, bye guys.